Kasngi buram jong kinohikai mentaga senam namar bah kesantrik unailor kahap kasngi ublay. Lapan long no ha kahnriu tarik, bad habinu jor bad kisnam ke belalet no, kajing rakie kala kamlong kaba kenja namar kaklam COVID-19. Lapan ku buram iki babon kinohikai hagani kasngi na kebenta kajing no senyang bad kajing trish tom jongki. Hagani kesengi ke sorkar MDA komisi benta ban ai kejing itu yu senyang jo kinohikai ki bela senyang ban pen sotiet kejing nang jing start ha kejela barok kawai ban sandor kalawai jengki kena na kebenta kalawai ba pernai jongki. Ha ka hendreu tarik unai luar hajar arpuwei ke penlong ya kejing le buram kerpang kinohikai ha kejing elang ke bela penlong ha Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides Shillong. Hagani kejing elang penkuk buram kinohikai ke bela longru ke senam ke bah hendreu pau na duk bela sedang ya kene kejing rakie. Hagani kejing elang hakani kesengi ke sorkar ke penkuk buram bat ai kusnam ru ya ki khat laingut kinohikai ke behikai skol hakaleng ke jela Meghalaya da ke baai haki ya ke state award ke bela trai borba met bat mensiam ban ai kejing syakri ke bajanai ban penang penstat ki kena ki bapule haki skol ki baki hikai. Nalor ke state award hakani kejing elang la ai ru ya ki district award syakino hikai bakan thop ru ke kusnam bekerpang ya ke inclusive school ke kusnam best scout master award bat ke kusnam best guide captain. Nalori kinohikai ya kenegesngi la ai kusnam kerpang ru iki skol ki bapendap ya ke Meghalaya School Improvement Program bat ki skol ke bayo apdiang ya ke kusnam ki kenthop ya ke Umroi Presbyterian Higher Secondary School na ke district Ribhoi ke Garo Union Higher Secondary School na ke district West Garo Hills bat ka Maungap District Christian Multipurpose Higher Secondary School na ke district East Khasi Hills. Ya ka kusnam Best Performance District Resource Group la ai ke East Khasi Hills, West Jante Hills bat West Garo Hills. Ya ka kusnam Best Innovative Measures for Continuous Learning During the Lockdown Period la ai ka Alpha English Higher Secondary School Haribhoi, Shaka St. Saviour's Higher Secondary School West Garo Hills, bat Shaka Holy Cross Higher Secondary School Mauken Row East Khasi Hills.
This opened our eyes that nothing is certain. We have to prepare for uncertainty. To be a successful teachers, we have to prepare for that. And I'm very happy that student committee also trying to cope with this in these trying times. I know in teaching sector there are many challenges, there are many difficulties, there are many bottlenecks which it is very difficult for the teachers to perform their duties. I know there is many difficulties. Sometimes teachers lost interest due to the disparity of salary and also due to the sometimes untimely release of salary. This challenge is not new, and this challenge will not go away very soon.
Ya kini kejing rakie lepen long ru ha ke district Ribhoi de office of district school education officer bat lepen shingan kini kesengi de kejing dan lang UMLA kanong po uba Meral Bonds iem komu kongsan. Ya kini kejing rakie lepen long ha conference hall jong office of joint director ke education and literacy bat lawan shim benta de kini hikai ke bami kemat nak school baper. Ha kini kesengi kongsan ula samru ke kusnam syakino hikai ke bela trai borba ban kentiu ke puli putih ha ke district Ribhoi. Bat kini ki kenthop yo ba Nimal Terang jongkaraj Hopati Christian Secondary School, ba Sen Kio Lamare jongko Kensio Upper Primary School, bat ikong Sabina Mau Penyang jongko Kon RCLP School. Ya ka kusnam Best Guide Master layo do ba Anand Swet jongk Alpha English High Secondary School, bat Best Guide Captain layo da Kamina Joshi Sharma jongka Little Star Senior School.
Nga snukid ram bila de kum unong hikmat pahadu menta ya ka system educational system hapo ka jela ka jumi impala aban pembe ba kinong hikai ka jinyo pergi ke dalam apa ka kumki section ke bagi gidan marka jing hikai ke bagi ai ta kalong kumjo unong hikai ke government LP school ba unong hikai ke private school ba hikai ke SSA lani ad hoc deficit Karkom jadi kai ke syllabus kalau kunjuk. Kajing syakri di kiri kalau kunjuk. Dan dari kajing siu kah dia fair. Kan ke disparity. Dan mar kata ngasuh kiram je lagi. Kumno hikmat bahadu mentah. Dimpanlah ban legislate ban penpek ya kani. Agi digelais nem tam kita boleh persang ban yo etalat ban ya keren ban ya debate ban ya thir di persang ban rule ini semua. Bagi nong hikai gibi kijumi ka profession ke badan kurang kajing nang ting start ka begipsut haki jabing kijong kini lawe di Banuan kini hibanyo ka recognition na kita